Hello, and welcome to our presentation about our Master of Science degree in Robotics and Autonomous Systems. My name is Patrick Phelan. I'm a professor of mechanical and aerospace engineering. I'm also the assistant dean for graduate programs, but most importantly, I am the interim graduate program chair for the Robotics and Autonomous Systems degree program.
And my name is Sangram Redkar. I'm an associate professor and incoming graduate program chair for the Robotics and Autonomous Systems. And I look forward to meeting every one of you when you come to visit us or you join us as a graduate student. So this program is Robotics and Autonomous Systems program that gives you tremendous opportunity to work on wide variety of engineering problems. You can work on robotics, dynamics, control, human robot interaction, soft robotics, swarm robotics, artificial intelligence, system aspect to robotics, how multiple teams of robots and humans work together, then how do they share the control, how can they be controlled in an autonomous fashion, how can they work smart, how can they predict, how can they work with the humans, and all other exciting concepts and approaches that are cutting edge to the area of robotics and autonomous systems. We offer 4 concentrations at this time. They are artificial intelligence, that is machine learning, enabling machines to become more human, think about the surroundings, interpret different signals. We also have a concentration in electrical engineering that allows us to look at the signals, controls, and other aspects, decentralized control, uh, Kalman filtering approaches associated with robotics. We have systems engineering concentration where we look at not at just human or robot, but we look at an integrated system. Imagine multiple UAVs, UGVs, and human operators working collaboratively. That comes under systems engineering concentration. We have mechanical and aerospace engineering concentration, where think about space robots, unmanned aerial vehicles, swarms of unmanned aerial vehicles, robot arms mounted on unmanned vehicles, either ground or autonomous flying or underwater. So we have these fantastic concentrations that allow you to explore the area of robotics that you are interested in. If you know what you want to do, we will definitely provide you with the tools and means to become what you want to be. So fantastic research opportunities in robotics exist, all the way from prosthetics, swarm robotics, foldable robotics, origami-based robotics, biorobotics, wearable robots, wearable sensing, human robot collaboration, assistive robotics, cyber physical systems, computer vision, machine learning, robot grasping, and anything and everything that you can think of. So ASU is at the forefront of robotics, and we have a largest indoor drone studio in this country, and we have fantastic faculty who are working on in the various fields of robotics. Once you graduate with this program, the sky is the limit. Whether you want to pursue PhD, you want to get into academia, or you want to go to industry and contribute to the well-being of the society, you can work as a robotics engineer, debugging problems. You can work as an electrical engineer, systems engineer, mechanical engineer, automation engineer. Our past students have been recruited by NASA, Tesla, Lockheed Martin, OpenAI, Google, not to mention lot many startups that are started by our students, and our students are contributing to the society and overall development of knowledge in the field of robotics. As I said, we have fantastic research facility, and this is an example. We have the largest indoor motion capture facility for drone research. So you can see that there are motion capture cameras all around this big field, indoor field, where you can fly uh, quadcopters, you can fly drones, you can have autonomous vehicles, you can have humans and robots working together on a collaborative task. You can capture the motion, synthesize the motion, predict the intention, and make sure that the human robot interaction is fluid and mutually synergistic.
You might be wondering to yourself, well, why should I go to ASU? And so we want to talk a little bit more about the broader picture of what's happening at ASU. There are actually a lot of exciting things, both inside the classroom and outside the classroom. So for instance, for all master's students, including of course those in the Robotics and Autonomous Systems degree program, we have opportunities for doing research. So whether or not you're going to do a thesis, you have an opportunity to do research. And so we have a program called Master's Opportunity for Research in Engineering, or short MORE, in which every master's student can propose a research topic together with a faculty member. And if it gets approved, that means you get a stipend. You also get some additional funds to help support your research. On top of that, the Fulton Schools of Engineering has its own career center with career fairs every semester, including one just for graduate students. We have throughout our campus an entrepreneurial mindset. We have many opportunities for you to pursue your own dream about starting your own business or starting your own nonprofit. And so there are many competitions that you can get real funding and also access to mentors and to space to help you achieve your goal of starting your own business. And then finally, beyond the classroom, you can get engaged in service projects such as engineering projects and community service, that's also called EPICS, or Devil's Invent. That's one of these entrepreneurship competitions that many students participate in and in fact win thousands of dollars. So we'll close here with a view of ASU, and we're also showing our Robotics and Autonomous Systems website here at the top. And we always like to remind people we are the #1 university in the United States for innovation, and now that's for 5 years in a row. Thank you very much for your attention.
Thank you.